Greetings, I am KMC Guy, President and Founder of Automated System Solutions, or ASS, coming to you from the 99th floor of our world headquarters in Budapest, North Dakota, or better known as the office next to my bedroom. Let's get started. Introduction to Macro Block Programming. As I had mentioned in a previous video, the real power in block programming is the macro block. Macro blocks allow you to turn frequently used code into logic blocks. This will greatly help by not having to remember typical code or make errors from doing cut and paste and find and replace. I can't stress it enough that you should at least be using macro blocks in your programming. In this video series, I'm going to show you how to make macro blocks and how to use them. First, we need to cover the rules. Do not use shortcut binary if comparisons in your block programming. Here's an example of what not to do. If status input, then logic. Instead, use the equals. If status input equals 1, then logic. If you have an input to your macro block that is just something you're going to hand type in instead of having it attached to an object, by using the first one, you'll end up with a line that says if 1, then logic, which will not compile properly. Do not use ends. If you happen to be using this logic block multiple times or using other block programming along with this block, you'll end up with multiple ends and your program won't function properly. Do not use subroutines or go subs. Go subs, if you're using this block multiple times in a program and you end up with have go subs in it, you could have two go subs trying to go to the same place. Same thing is true for gotos. Use nested ifs instead. Gotos shouldn't be used anymore anyways. It's an old-fashioned way of programming, and if you told a real programmer you're using gotos, they would cringe. So start using nested ifs when you're doing your programming. So let's see it in action.